In the era of rapidly emerging technology enterprises, only strength can keep you standing tall. As an international enterprise driven by technologies and innovations, ZKTeco has established a solid foundation with biometrics techniques as core, pioneering technical planning and unique creativity.
ZKTeco introduced biometric technology about 20 years ago in our time management and security solutions. Today, millions of users worldwide rely on our devices to get themselves paid or access their facilities using our biometric authentication hardware.
ZKTeco has approximately 3,900 global staff as of the 31st of December 2021. ZKTeco employs over 1,000 R&D staff, owns 594 effective patents, and has established 4 major development centres in Guangshen, Xiamen, Dalian in China, and in India. ZKTeco was also ranked 13 in the top 50 security companies by ASMAG and has been awarded local and overseas prizes and honours.
ZKTeco जिम्मेदारी, अखंडता, व्यवहारिकता और उत्कृष्टता की दृष्टि को कायम रखते हुए प्रौद्योगिकी के साथ दुनिया को बदलकर एक सुरक्षित और समझदार समाज का विकास करना चाहता है.
To guarantee the technical standard of industry and international competitiveness, ZKTeco insists to interpret smart manufacturing without actions and strive to practice the plan of Industry 4. To enhance the global delivery of products, ZKTeco has deployed manufacturing bases in Dongguan and Thailand, etc. ZKTeco has planned investment projects for the deployment of the manufacturing base in Atlanta in the USA.
ZKTeco es una compañía en la que nunca se para, en la que estás en continua evolución, estás en continua mejora, estás en continua búsqueda de la excelencia de los productos, de las soluciones, de la tecnología, ¿no?
We are revolutionizing the way the world is experiencing everyday life because of our innovation and understanding of the different markets in all the regions worldwide.
الذكاء الفترة الحالية بجودة المنتجات والدعم اللامحدود في التقنية. ZK هي المستقبل في حلول البيومتريكس ونظام المداخل والمخارج.
ZKTeco shall never stop aspiring to achieve greater things. Rooted in China, we always regard bringing the pioneering biometrics techniques to the world as our mission. ZKTeco will continuously step up efforts in the expansion of both local and overseas markets and will alleviate the upgrades and new constructions of the 42 subsidiaries and offices in the major continents. We will also confer the functions of the engineering services to the overseas points of sales in Europe, Latin America and Southeast Asia for the service support of the global project markets. We will also enhance the initiatives of storage networks, upgrade the facilities of online shops and coordinate with third-party online retail stores to actualize ZKTeco's functional connection of offline and online sales.
El futuro de ZKTeco hoy es hacer un lugar mejor, es lograr que el mundo sea un lugar mejor para nuestras futuras generaciones. Esta es nuestra responsabilidad hoy y mañana.
In ZKTeco, everyone is a shining star for the night sky of biometrics. ZKTeco BioCV strives for the harmony of people and smart society, and safer and wiser life. ZKTeco strives to be the sustainably developing and world-leading enterprise of B2B time and attendance and security management.